Welcome to our podcast. Today we're diving deep into Trump's huge crypto venture gains, where reports say he's raked in about $2.4 billion since 2022.
Yeah, that's a staggering number. I've got to ask, what are these ventures exactly?
Well, it's a mix of things, from NFT collections generating around $14.4 million to token sales via World Liberty Financial at about $412.5 million, and even crypto deals with the UAE raking in roughly $243 million. Not to mention a Bitcoin mining involvement with American Bitcoin for $13 million, BTC Treasury operations pulling in $1.3 billion, and a meme coin venture adding another $385 million.
Wow, that's a diverse portfolio. It sounds like crypto makes up nearly half of his known political career enrichment.
Exactly. Yep. About 43.5% of his reported gains. It's like, he diversified into crypto even after being pretty skeptical about the whole scene back in 2019.
Right, I remember his past criticisms on volatility and illegal activities. So, do you think this shift indicates a change in perspective or just leveraging market opportunities?
It's interesting. On one hand, his public stance was all about caution. On the other, his family's ventures, often managed by advisors, have tapped into massive sums. It seems like a calculated pivot, even if he isn't directly involved in day-to-day operations.
That raises conflict of interest concerns, especially when you're in a position to influence, industry regulations, right?
Exactly. There's been a lot of discussion about that. Like after he hosted a DC dinner for top meme coin holders, two Democratic senators raised alarms about potential federal ethics law violations and the emoluments clauses.
Right. But don't you think that delegating operations to family or advisors could somewhat shield him from direct accountability? I mean, isn't that a fair argument?
That's a fair point. However, his name is still very much on the line. Even if he's not running the show, the association can still influence political decisions and regulatory approaches.
Yeah, exactly. And then there's the whole regulatory angle. Under his administration, agencies like the SEC have been more lenient toward crypto firms, which seems like a problematic overlap.
Absolutely, it's like a twofold scenario. On one hand, you have these lucrative crypto ventures, and on the other, there's policy leniency that might have been influenced by his previous stances.
It's really a hotbed for debates around ethics, accountability, and potential foreign influence if meme coin holders get undue access.
Right. The senators pointed out how foreign actors might use these channels to buy influence without any transparency. That's a troubling prospect indeed.
Yes, indeed. So putting it all together, Trump's foray into crypto isn't just about chasing profits. It's a complex mix of diversification, political risk, and regulatory ambiguity.
Exactly. It's like a case study in how political figures navigate unconventional income streams while potentially stirring up ethical and regulatory challenges.
Absolutely. Thanks for the rundown. It's one wild ride in the world of crypto politics.